In this video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in NFS Most Wanted 2012 to unlock features like Ultimate Money, Netro, and more. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Right click on the game.exe and select Properties. And go to Details. You can able to see the game version. In my case, 1.5. Once you know if a game version, check my video description for this trainer link for 1.5 game version. Scroll down and select the download link. Download is blocked by Google. To fix this problem, select three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select security. Set this to no protection and select turn off. Then go back to the site and select the zip, and once download done, set this to standard protection and right click on the downloaded file and select pin drawer and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, again extract the folder. Before opening the trainer, you must run the game in the background. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer, right click, run as administrator and select the yes option. And here are the hotkey and effects. To test this trainer is working or not, I'm gonna press F2 and set this to no arrest. As you can see, once you see the line turn to red, minimize this and get back to the game. I'm gonna mess with cops. I'm gonna stand like this and there is no bust option will be appear, as you can see. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.